My name is Kim Trouten and I'm with Allen Tate. I'm one of the top brokers with the company and I'm in the top 1% of realtors across the US. My background is in interior design and architectural planning, and my husband's a builder. And so having him as an asset is great because he can help my buyers and sellers make decisions as far as remodeling or what needs to be improved. From a selling point of view, if I come into your home and I see that there's an issue or something that would be of concern, we can have him evaluate, or I can advise. My husband's previous job meant we did relocation. And so I'm very familiar with that process. I know what that relocating buyer is looking for, and I can prep your home and tell you what you need to do to appeal to the broadest audience. So being part of Allen Tate means that I'm part of the top brokerage in the Carolinas. So that's a huge asset for sellers. Also, I have a great support team. I have super photographers. We do really extensive online marketing. I have a listing manager and a closing manager and an assistant, and we make sure that you're taken care of more than you can even expect. So most of my area that I serve would be Eastover, Foxcroft, working from Myers Park and Dilworth into the suburbs, so Ballantyne into Fort Mill a little bit, Weddington. So all of those communities have different buyers. But because I've lived in the suburbs, I raised my children in Marvin, and then my husband and I relocated up to Dilworth, I'm very familiar with just all the nuances of those communities. I work mostly in luxury, but in my opinion, luxury is actually a service, not a product. So I give luxury service to all of my clients. As far as assisting sellers, one of the best things I can do for them is I'm extremely authentic and honest. And so I want to make sure if I come in to evaluate your home for pricing purposes, I'm going to do it like a traditional agent would, but I'm also going to do it from a relocating buyer's point of view, that even if I'm pricing a property in one community, we need to keep in mind that those relocating buyers are looking at all different communities. And I see myself as the person to bring you the most information so you can make the best decision. So if you're thinking about selling your house, even if you're not ready yet, I would love to talk to you. Give me a call. We can have coffee. We can come take a look at your house. I can give you advice, and then you'll have all the information that you need to make the best decision when the right time is for you. I look forward to hearing from you soon.